I would like to address the concern about these vaccines being experimental. I'd like to address that in two ways. First, I'd like to give you an understanding of our understanding of this virus. It is not a new virus to the researchers. It has actually been studied for the last 50 years, and more intently in the last 20 years have we really recognized the importance of the coronavirus and done significant amounts of research on how this virus works and how we can also develop vaccines to treat this. So it's under those circumstances that we began the process of researching these vaccines and started to develop new vaccines to treat this illness. This happened under the same guidelines and regulations of any vaccine development or medication development and under the guidance of the FDA. This worked very well in this situation because we were able to expedite a lot of the research to develop these vaccines into trials that were combined as well as running side by side. This was made available because we had a lot of interest in volunteerism for receiving the vaccine in the trials, as well as the increased funding that came through the federal government to help with the development of the vaccine. And finally, we had a worldwide collaboration of researchers sharing data and information in order to make this possible. So I hope that helps you to understand that this was not new technology developed too rapidly to be safe. Okay, I would like to address the question about whether or not it's safe to receive the COVID-19 vaccine if you've had a previous allergic reaction to a vaccine. First, I'd like to say if you have had a severe reaction to a vaccine previously, we would recommend that you consult with your physician prior to receiving the COVID-19 vaccine. In patients that have had a previous reaction related to egg components, latex, or other preservatives in vaccine, I will tell you that within the Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine, there are no components related to those.